rock sand, river sand. In rock sand it will not grow. We tried rock sand, does not grow. But river sand is very good.
Demonstration of nursery growing for Gaultheria and Swetia chirayita.
This is for chirayita
in forest soil. This is for Gaultheria in the river sand. Dr. Shukla is explaining to the farmers and enthusiasts. Lalu is taking picture. So 3 square meter. So Dr. Shukla is showing how to.
1 gram we have to take around 1 teaspoon. Okay, this much.
1 teaspoon. Sisiang. Sisamot.
Around 1 gram. And you have to mix with ash.
Pia bang kle lang bot pei. Wajli. Oleh kurmar.
You have to mix with ash, little ash, and after mixing with ash, you have to spread here. And it should not be windy. If it is windy, if you spread here, it will grow there. Okay, because it will fly. So it should not be windy, and you can spread.
Wind coming, sir.
Now, sometimes you put like this, don't put like this. If you put as like this, instead of 100 germinating, only 10 will germinate. So, no need to disturb. Okay? Give to somebody, they will also do.
Comenta persang sama pi.
Take little.
Kumba abam siar kumta pi hable. Jai.
Zai what?
This side.
Zai YouTuber.
Okay, like this you have to do, and then spread the.
Let's give wood.
Dispatch in 1 square meter. 1 square meter. See, it is so much bitter. If you take in hand now, taste will come in your mouth.
Shelter the beach. Wall is broken.
So, this green net is there. February, March. Cover with stone will not take. All single anything.
Tugen. Lang kemih pe.
Like this you have to cover. If you do not have this green net, we can provide you. After 45 days, you have to make it into small, just like that pen.